We're Colin and Justin, international television hosts, designers and property speculators. And by golly, we love Real Cedar. We've worked with it for an awfully long time. And today we're tackling a project which we call the house that Cedar fixed. And specifically, we're out here in the great outdoors enjoying that wonderful vista to the water on a wonderful 2,500 square feet wraparound Real Cedar deck.
This is a beautiful piece of timber. We have this infinity of timber that stretches as far as the eye can see. And not only is it given us something beautiful, it's given us something practical as well. Because a house like this is all about the great outdoors. We now have an area to have a dining room, a sitting room, a fire pit, anything we want on this deck. This is a bridge between the house and the great outdoors, and it's super important.
Now, Real Cedar for us was an easy choice because we like the way that it looks and the way that it performs. But much, much more than that. We're all about the environment. And Real Cedar comes from managed forests, environmentally sustainable stock. It's replenished all the time. We love using it and we've used it on many, many occasions. Now, our contractors say to us time and time again they love working with us because we always use Real Cedar and they really like the reliability of the product. It's really structurally solid, it lasts and lasts, it gets better with age. It's just a great product all round. Now, Western Red Cedar has been an essential building and finishing material indoors at our lovely cottage, but it's just as important out here in the great outdoors as well. Now, a wonderful Western Red Cedar deck is crawling its way elegantly around the entirety of the cabin.
You know, sometimes with timber, you can't see the wood for the trees. How many houses have you been in that are entirely timber? And there's just a lot of wood going on. We really felt in this particular example that we wanted a painted backdrop so that we could really appreciate the pop of the natural timbers. And I think that's exactly what's happened.
Now, outdoors, Western Red Cedar does something fantastic. As the light hits it, it begins to take on a lovely silver quality. Now, we've painted this cabin in this really dramatic, dark graphite grey tone. And the wood looks really lovely in its honey version at the moment. But as time endures and this begins to silver, this whole place will come alive. So, what we're doing is protecting ourselves against the need to stain the wood or to protect it. Leave it natural, as we've done, and let Mother Nature paint her palette for you.